So I'm just kind of doing an area recon, checking out the area. I didn't find any trash until I saw this. Excuse the camera movement. Someone's poop hole. Just never goes to show. Why not bury it? But honestly, that's the only trash I found other than that water bottle. Which, you know, a survivalist would probably be happy to find a water bottle with a lid so they could, you know, have something to store water in. But I'm not a survivalist. What gets me is just how different the ecosystem here is. Oh, camera's crooked, sorry. You know, on the other side it's mossy. I might roll in a couple of the B-roll footages for that spot, for that side, just to see the difference. It kind of reminds me of K Dawg Crazy's videos, because he's out there in South Dakota. It reminds me a lot of that. Which, by the way, if you're not subscribed to K Dawg Crazy, you're severely missing out. He's got a great channel. And he seems like a really cool guy too. So, be happy to have him in my camp any day of the week. Yeah, it's not mossy. It's actually a really nice day. I should bust out my temperature gauge and see what temperature it is. But I got feel out here everywhere. I had no worries about firewood. I brought firewood, but there's a high burn ban. Or there's not a burn ban, but fire danger is high. So I'm going to really need my bucket today. I might rig up a tripod to hang it on because I've had it tip over on me several times. So I'm mostly just trying to stay in the shade right now. It's a bit toasty. I should get my thermometer. Yeah, my thermometer. Can't speak. I got these little side trails too. I might go down and take a look. Because there's a river on this side, but I found another one on this side. So I might go, this trail might take me down there, so I might go down there and take a look. Other than that, I haven't seen any garbage everywhere. I can hear the neighbors. I hope they're not going to be pissed that I'm here. I mean, I'm alone, so it should be low impact. Still, you know, if they come over and they bitch, hey, what are you here for? I'm like, I'm shooting a YouTube video. Oh, okay. Who are you? I'll tell them, oh, eat Carbs Outdoors? Their response, I never heard of you, so get the hell off our land. So. I was just looking at this tree here. If I can get this down without getting too much hassle, which I can, I think. You know, the fuel I need to get the fire started. I guess I'm coming back with my saw. It won't come out of the ground so easy. It's not a big deal though. Found a trail that takes me to the stream. And there's a house on the other side of the stream as well, so. That's cool. I actually really like this area. Well, I think I spoke too soon about the no garbage. I just found a couple things. Actually, there was a third. There's a feminine pad that I started to pick up, and then I realized what it was and dropped it like it was hot. But compared to a lot of places, that's practically nothing. And I found it out in the woods, so it could have been hauled out there by critters, you know, because this is beer, so they could have been licking the juice. And then this is one of those flavor packs, so, you know, who knows. Yeah, tonight's hotel accommodations. Coleman sleeping pad, Thermarest sleeping pad, there are flies everywhere. Come on out. But I wish they had like a little handle on the bottom of this bag that makes dragging this thing out a lot easier. Come on. Okay. He's being a butthead. Self-inflating, I just like to give it a few breaths just to kind of get it started. Get the sleeping pad. It goes down on the ground first. Kind of takes the brunt of the ground. Sleeping pad. Let that self-inflate. That's for comfort. Bag. Although I probably could have gotten away with my 55-degree bag, but it is what it is. I'll put that away when I go to sleep. Plus I need to get my pillow. I had to drop my soda right in the freaking sand. That was swift. Whew. I'll be drinking a lot of water today. It's only 2:45 and it's quite toasty out. You know, I just grabbed my scale to see what the temperature was and I realized I forgot it. Alright. So here she is. I basically dropped the battery. Where'd you go? Yeah, that was good. I literally just kicked it right into the dirt. So I got this temperature gauge, which takes a AAA battery. I just found it on Amazon. The lightest one I could get. I'm gonna have to go pick that up. I know that's going to show on camera, but it says 95.4. That's pretty toasty. It doesn't feel like it's that hot. Oh, there is a breeze blowing, which feels very nice. 93.9 now. Or if you use Celsius, guys, 34.3. So it does, you can power it on and off. I just take the battery out to make sure it doesn't drain. And then there's a time as well, which might be wrong. Which won't even switch to the time now. Maybe you hold it. No? Oh, that's why. You have an inside temp and you have an outside temp. Forgot about that. So out says 79.1. So I don't know if that means outside or that means inside. Because in it says 90.50 or 90.5 Fahrenheit. But in says 78. Or out says 78. And here's a little attachment plug that comes with it. It's got a line. So you can probably put it inside your tent and then just toss this outside. And you can get outside and inside temperatures. But outside says 76.8. So it's not really even 90. And then the Fahrenheit in says 88.6. So I think I'm gonna go with the outside. So 76.4 feels closer. Whatever. It's a really nice camp spot. I like it. I think I'm gonna come back here. It's kind of almost like camping at the beach because there's just sand everywhere. So I'll probably have to go home and knock the sand out of everything, but that's alright. I just keep this in a medicine bottle, keep the battery at the bottom. This keeps dirt, well, extra dirt and moisture out, so. Working on a tripod for my water bucket because I've had a, wow, Fly City. I've had it tip over before, and it's not the greatest water access right where my fire is going to be. It's better over there. So I'm going to have to, I don't want to have something happen and have to trek all the way over there to get to easier water access. And getting down there seemed like it'd be a pain in the ass. But I can also use all the smalls. I guess I could show you. So I probably should have just showed you. So as you can see, I've got these three trees. Well, not even trees. They were all down already, so I didn't have to. I just sawed them off at the end. I mean, there's so much fuel around all over the place. I could literally just camp here I could probably be here for a week and not run out of firewood. But I'm going to trim all the branches off, and then I'm going to set the tripod up. So I want the bag basically sitting on the ground with the tripod supporting it, so I can always just trim off the legs and just burn them, use them for firewood. So I'm just kind of taking a break. So, you know, work a little, take a break, work a little, take a break, work a little. So, you know, it's my day off from work, so I want to relax too. Tent set up, ready to go. I'm not hungry, so that's good. I brought firewood again because I had it in the car because I was going to use it the last trip. Decided just to push it back to this trip. Even though I don't really need firewood, but it also means I don't have to go run around cutting firewood either. So. Which would just make me work harder. I'd be sweating more. Not that I'm afraid to put a little work in, but you know, I actually want to get it out of the car too, so I can clean out the back of the car, and so there's motives for why I'm doing it. So I'll probably relax a little bit and get to work in a little bit.